Hi, today I'm for Galaxy A73 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner types on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the lock screen of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint just to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. We just unlock the device. So simple, just in 1 second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method, but just you should keep your fingerprint on the sensor a little bit longer, not just with a simple touch to the fingerprint, because you'll have no chance just to unlock your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.